After your child clicks their Google Meet link and hits Join Now, they'll be presented with some different features. In the upper right-hand corner is the chat box. This opens up the chat. This is where you view messages from your teacher, and if they've turned it on, you can also send messages to the whole class. Another feature right next to it is called the Activities feature. If your teacher is using a poll or a question and answer, you can click here to view those. Just follow the green dot to find where you need to be. The next feature we're going to look at is down in the bottom center of your screen. Here is where you can mute and unmute your microphone. If the circle is filled in red, this means you're muted. Others can't hear you. If the circle is filled in with white, that means you're unmuted. Others can hear what you're saying. Similar to the microphone, you can turn your camera on and off. If the icon for the camera is filled in red, this means your camera is off. Others can't see you. If it's filled in white, that means your camera is on. Others can see you. To help out while you're listening to your teacher and the presentation, you can turn on Captions. This puts the words that are being said up on the screen. It's computer generated, so it will not always get everything correct. You can also share your screen if your teacher gives you permission. When you share your screen, pick Chrome tab for the best results. In the three dots in the right-hand corner, you can click Other Settings. In here, in the Settings menu, you can change the layout, which switches how video screens are displayed, and you can also switch cameras and speakers to headphones in the Settings box. During a teacher's presentation, if the screen is too small, hover over the screen and click the push pin to make it bigger. You can also do this with your teacher's camera. When you're ready to leave the meet, after you've been dismissed or class is over, click here to leave and close the tab.